Alright, welcome back everybody to another edition of Around the Dial. I wanted to do a follow-up on a story I covered a couple weeks back about the Christies auction in Geneva. So that happened on May 9th, a couple days ago. Yeah, the results we'll go through real quick. I'll show you some stuff that happened. It featured the Kairos collection. So they did 30 pieces so far of that collection out of 128, I believe it is, total. And it's going to be a three-part auction. So we had May 9th. We also have coming up in Hong Kong on the 24th, part 2, and then concluding in New York, two-piece auction on June 8th and 9th. So after those final parts conclude, I'll do a wrap-up on the whole series. But I just wanted to put this out here on the conclusion of the first section, put some prices up, show some of the really unique pieces that were in the auction. So thanks for joining us. Let's flip around to the laptop and we'll scroll through everything. All right, Christies.com. So this sale was part 1, held in Geneva, curated rare watch collection. A lot of Rolexes, Pateks obviously with the Kairos collection, APs, a lot of unique pieces in here. Just wanted to go through and do a run through of some of the rarer pieces and what they sold from the Kairos collection. This was held in Geneva. So the currency exchange is Swiss franc or franc.
My name, it's pronounced Frankenstein.
So we'll go with franc. But it's close to the US dollar in exchange, so it's very easy to get an estimate of what these went for in US dollars, if that is where you are in the world. So some Rolexes here. Everything kind of went for close to the estimates, right in the ballpark as far as these pieces go. Still commanding pretty high prices, even with the market kind of fluctuating now. Results were pretty strong. Some nice Daytonas included in this collection, obviously. Some rarer pieces, this platinum, the platinum one there. Some really cool Daytonas here with the Tiffany blue type dial and the green anniversary dial there. So let's jump into the Chronos collection and see what they had. So all of these were Pateks. You'll see the price realized at the bottom there and the estimated price right above it, and they were hitting right in the ballpark, most of these, right in the pocket where they were estimated at. Most of them were pretty rare, I would say. You know, nothing common, nothing that you can really just easily pick up, and then especially in this condition. These were immaculate. So it's been called, you know, the best curated personal collection of Pateks in existence. So as you can see, a lot of them were kind of still right in the same ballpark there as the estimated prices. Of course, some rarer than others in this collection. They did throw in some of the more rarer pieces on this part 1, and the next 2 upcoming parts, 1 in Hong Kong and 2 sales in New York, will contain the rest of the collection as well as other pieces. But as you can see, still we're in the same ballpark. A couple went a little higher. You know, we're getting down to some that are realizing a little bit more. The white gold, 18 karat gold one here is 63 out of a 38 estimated price. So split second went for pretty well above what it was estimated at 130. It went for 214.2. Couple of heavy hitters for the bottom here. So yeah, 327.6 and 264.6 out of an estimated 160 and 230. So these two were definitely some of the rarer pieces, commanded a higher price, of course. And there were some other pieces involved in this collection as well, in this auction. So we'll just scroll through these and take a look at some of the more unique pieces that were sold. course, we go right into another Patek here. We did cover this one already. Perpetual calendar. Realized 327.6 out of a 230 high-end estimate. Breguet. Triple calendar moon phase, 200,000 high-end estimate. Right under that at 176.4, so it was right in between there. Patek. We're in Nautilus territory now. Reference 5712-1A001, 277.2 out of 250, so a little bit above there. Did pretty good. Apologize if you hear thunder, it's storming here right now. Another Patek. Minute repeater, perpetual calendar. 957.6 out of a high end of 510,000 estimated. Knew this one was going to go for pretty high amounts. Switching gears totally, De Bethune. So, pretty unique piece here. Kind of blue, it's called. Always reminded me of the Star Trek insignia. These watches. So, still got good money though. 140,000 high-end estimate. 176.4 was realized. Speaking of unique, Cartier London Crash. This was a 1990 model. And another one recently sold that was an original, I think it was from the early 60s for $1.2 million or $1.6 million. So yeah, these are very sought after, very rare pieces. This one here from the 90s did very well. As you can see, 280,000 high-end estimated, 819,000 was realized. A Langa and Sona. White dial on this, pretty interesting, kind of unique piece. 4 of 500. It was the anniversary jubilee. So 50,000 was estimated high end, 60,480 was realized. Moving into a nice mother of pearl 18 karat gold Daytona with diamond indices. And this one landed right in the pocket for its higher end estimate. $50,004 out of 50,000 high end estimated. AP Beast. Just incredible, intricate. These are just amazing pieces here. Solid gold brick. So this one, pretty high estimate on this. $260,000. What did we get? 264.6 right there. Another Nautilus. It's the classic this time. 5711. 51,200 over its high-end estimate of 100,000. Very Langa and Sona. This was the platinum double split flyback, 88,200 over 60,000 high-end estimated. So that wraps it up for this portion, phase 1 of the auction. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll cover the next ones coming up. Take care.